Welcome to our kitchen! Join us today to prepare chickpea sweets. Chickpea sweets are usually used in our Iranian New Year table named Hafsin.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and waiting for your visit and comments about our videos.
Let's try together! The ingredients for making chickpea sweets are 250 grams of chickpea flour, 120 grams of ice sugar, some pistachio powder, and a teaspoon of cardamom.
And 120 grams of butter, some saffron, and 4 tablespoons of wheat flour. First, we mix butter and ice sugar together.
Now for 5 or 6 minutes we mix them with a mixer. I'd like to say a point about this recipe. If you have an access to confectionery oil, it's better to use it. If not, you can use butter instead. Now the mixture of butter and ice sugar is ready.
And I add 1 teaspoon of cardamom. And 2 teaspoons of saffron.
Now I get 4 tablespoons of chickpea flour, and add 4 tablespoons of wheat flour instead. Can you add the flour? Thank you, honey. Now we should mix it with the fingers this way for some minutes. We should have a soft mixture without any cracks.
Like this.
Yes. mix it. After mixing for about 10 minutes, the dough is ready now.
Let it rest for a day.
I put some dough between two layers of plastic and roll. With a suitable cutter, I cut them and put on the tray.
What? The chickpea sweet is ready!
Oh, hello! Who are you?
I'm pink!
Oh, Pinky!
Yes, I'm Pinky! Yes!
Welcome to our kitchen, Pinky!
Thank you very much!
Yes, it's a delicious pastry. Pinky, can you help me?
Yes!
You can add some pistachio on our pastry.
Okay!
Thank you, Pinky.
You're welcome! You must be careful. My brother loves it. He's really fat, and I think he wants to eat them. Very be quiet and he really like them. Yes.
Now I put it in the preheated oven under 160 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Pastry is cooked well. We should wait for making it cold, and then we can pick and put the desired plates. The pastry is ready.
Wow, they're so beautiful. I really want to eat all of them. No. You haven't done it.
our